one. Go in front of my keeps, cut it.
You're not going to show them the first part where you tried to cut it?
Cut it. Right there.
Camera.
There's a belt up in there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's all the money.
Yep. And there's a new one. And new mufflers in the box. And the Corey's here too.
I showed up. Yay!
Yay! Yep. No, I can talk. Alright. We're going to run to the hardware store. Get a new bolt. Alright. New converter in the place. But yeah, to drop. Drive shaft. Get that set driver's side into place. And now just cramping up. A cramp. Put drive shaft back. And then put the transmission skip plate back up. And then we'll see where we're at from there. We'll put muffler on next. And thanks for Corey and Keith help. Yo, yo, yo.
What up?
We're just trying to keep warm.
Alright, brand new bolt into place. The old one, pretty crappy. That should be good. Alright, it's muffler time. I got flowmaster, low profile, oil wedding style. Let's open up. Just got Christmas morning. Beautiful. Oh, no. Now what kind of muffler? Great help. But, oh, and there's back in.
Trying. These are different than mine.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
And Keith, too. He's supervised.
Make me look worthless, come on. Got like 4 bolts out of the old system.
Yeah. Alright. Let me get to work. See you in a bit. Alright, 155, 32, 38, 52, and 58. Alright. Now, go back. Go base and code. Yes. Alright. Engine light is no longer on the dashboard. Ooh, green light. Okay. And I guess to figure out where's that one located, we'll figure out. Alright. It's all pretty awesome. And we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.